Hey everybody, I'm Chris Pierce.
And I'm Michael Reel, and we are the PR Properties Real Estate Group.
We are here at our newest listing, Unit 15 at 15717 Mountain View Drive in this gorgeous, peaceful area of Grandview, South Surrey. This is an immaculate 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, well over 2,000 square foot townhome, very thoughtfully designed by the developer. It's a prestigious development and it is in immaculate condition. It shows 20 out of 10. Would you agree, Mike?
Oh, 100%.
You got to get in there, check it out. Wasn't that a beautiful home?
Thank you so much for watching.
We are so excited to show you this property. Email us, call us, text us, it doesn't matter. We'll respond to all of it. Just get down here and see it. We're really excited to show it to you, so we'll see you soon.
Okay, Chris, now I'm going to enjoy the patio.
Good idea, Mike.